Welcome to Law Study Kit. My name is Rabia and I am a lawyer in Toronto, Ontario. If you are an internationally trained lawyer looking to get licensed in Ontario, or you're already part of the lawyer licensing process, then this channel would be really helpful to you. I talk a lot about the NCA process, how to become a lawyer in Ontario, NCA exams, and then just general job hunting tips for internationally trained lawyers. I also like to share my personal stories so that you can learn from some of the mistakes that I had made and just listen to somebody else who has been through the process. Feel free to browse my channel. There's a lot of content that will help you get started with your NCA exams and general lawyer licensing tips. If you are looking for additional help, you can visit my website, which I'm going to link down below. It's called lawstudykit.com. You can take a look at it to see if you do need additional help. If not, feel free to take a look at this channel. I'm sure that this will help you out in many different ways. A bit about me. I got my law degree from University of London. I then went to Osgoode Hall Law School where I did a pre-LLM program, and then I did a master's in international business law. I then decided to become licensed in Ontario, so then I applied for the NCA assessment and I wrote 8 NCA exams. After that, I did the law practice program. I completed my work placement at a financial institution and I was called to the Ontario Bar just last month, which was really exciting. Uh, so yeah, thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are looking for this type of content, do visit my website and perhaps comment below and let me know where are you from. For instance, where in the process are you right now? Are you looking to become a lawyer? Are you already writing the NCA exam? Would love to hear from you. I do reply to all of my comments, so don't ever hesitate to ask anything in the comment section. Thank you.